Hello everyone and welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on Bissell Big Green Commercial Upholster Tool. So the reason why I decided to purchase this tool because when I bought my Bissell Big Green Commercial deep cleaning carpet machine, I realized that it didn't come with a hose, but that didn't stop me nonetheless. So what we have here, we have a hose. It is actually 10 feet long. Me and my wife already measured it out. And you maybe want to buy this upholster tool because you might got carpet steps. You might want to clean your sofa, and you're not going to be able to do it with the Bissell Big Green Commercial carpet cleaner. So this is one of the reasons why I purchased this. It comes, like I said, with a 10 feet hose. The actual cleaner holster part tool is 5 inches wide, and it has amazing sturdy brushes here. And then you got your trigger spray here. Easy. Okay, nice trigger spray. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to the machine, carpet machine shortly. And then you have your nice bag for it, nice sturdy bag where you can put this in. And then in the back of it, and turn it around, you have your solution hose. This goes in the, it goes into the dirty water tank part behind it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to connect it, and I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it for you. So let's get right into the other part of this review. All right, everyone. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this hose to this was where so that's the large suction hose. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it in here like this. Okay. Then I'm gonna twist it, lock it in place. And then I'm going to connect the solution hose right here in this area, this spot right here. I'm going to line it up like this. Then I'm going to turn it clockwise. And there you go. That's how easy it is to connect this. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this on my sofa. And let's just take a look at it. All right, everyone, I am about to test this hose and upholster tool. And as you can see, I have my spray trigger right here, and I got my tool right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and use it for you guys. All right, as you can see, I definitely enjoy using this Bissell hose and upholster tool. It is 10 feet long. It has very clean, very strong suction power. It cleans and dry pretty quickly, and this is something I definitely recommend. And I just want to say thank you for taking your time out to watch this review, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.